Clients ask me all the time, what are my guests going to notice when they come in that door, and how are they going to feel while I'm entertaining? Is it going to be okay? First and foremost, if you're having a dinner party, guests are coming for the food, right? But don't make that very precious, special, brand new recipe you just found. Make something you're comfortable with. Make something you could do in your sleep. Make something that you do the day before. A soup, a stew, a chili. Those all taste better the second day anyway. And this way, you're not in the kitchen at all. Another thing that guests notice are strong smells when they come in the house. That's why I always say no scented candles. My only exception to that rule is a small one in the powder room. What you want your guests to be enjoying when they walk in that door are the beautiful aromas from the food you prepared for them to enjoy. Another thing that's really important is conversation. It's always difficult at a party if you see one guest sitting over on the side, they're not talking to anybody. So it's your job as a host, when your guests arrive, make sure they get introduced to other guests that have maybe some similar interests. Another thing that guests notice is how your table's set. Now that doesn't mean everything matches, because if you come to my house, nothing matches. I pick things up at flea markets on my trips. I love to mix and match. It's where your creativity can shine. And last but not least, guests recognize the stress you're under. So if you plan ahead, if you make that food ahead, if everybody's talking and enjoying themselves and you're sitting at the table, you have no stress and your guests are going to enjoy that dinner party. And it's just a few things and everybody can do it.